Hello, it's a 2002 Acura RSX Type S stick shift car, originally owned by one of the principals at Cessna Aircraft. It was owned by an older professional man. It's in very nice condition. Car has a total of it's getting close to 180,000 miles on the chassis. At approximately 100,000 miles, he had the original engine replaced. He loaned the car to someone and they managed to blow up the engine. So he took it to Acura and they put in a factory long block engine. So it was fresh, and the engine runs great. It does not smoke, it doesn't leak. The synchros are all good in the box. We just replaced the clutch and the flywheel. I also replaced the hydraulic slave cylinder for the clutch. Front control arms have been replaced, lower ball joints. We replaced the wheels and tires. These wheels are Sparcos. Really nice fitment for the car. The interior is pretty much perfect condition. Seats are, even the bolsters are awesome shape. The dash is no cracks. It's obviously been garaged for most of its life. The glass is all in good shape around the car. Back seats are really sweet as well, and they fold all the way down, and there's quite a bit of luggage capability in the RSX. Even the seats up, it's not bad. And it's got a little panel that conceals your luggage if you're on the road. You can get an idea of the luggage capacity with the seats folded. Pretty huge. Door panels, door cards are all really good. We serviced this car previously. He was and still is a client of ours. Engine compartments nice and clean. This is the K20A2 VTEC engine. We've replaced the struts in the car in the past. And upper mounts. So anyway, it's a really nice little stick shift car. Very versatile. Fun to drive. $15,000 is what we're asking for it. Thank you.